Hey friends, in this video I'm going to show you how you can easily use Canva AI to select a subject in an image in Affinity. So all you have to do is click on file on the upper left hand side and click on the place tool, and you can go ahead and you can choose an image. I'm going to just choose a random image right here. This is a thumbnail that I have. I click on place. I'm going to select it and just adjust it. So here you can see the thumbnail right here. And if I want to select a subject, for example, a person right here, all I have to do is click on Canva AI in the upper left and then use the subject selector in the upper right hand side. You can see it right next to the remove background. So click on that subject and you will see that the AI is going to go ahead and detect the subject. And as you can see right here, it start to highlight me in that image. How cool is that? And so guys, I can easily move this. I can do whatever it is, as you can see right there. How cool is that, guys? So that's how you can go ahead and use the Canva AI to select a subject in an image, guys. Very easy and very simple. And then from there you can go ahead and do whatever it is that you want with that image. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video.